everybody, it's Dian. How are you? I hope you will be well during this pandemic. Since the pandemic, we are required to learn to use technology like laptop, handphone, and software like Zoom, Google Classroom, Google Meeting. Do you even hear that application? I think you already use that. But we don't quite understand about the material being discussed or the material that presented by the teacher, especially in English, right? We rarely use English and especially to know new vocabulary. Well, here's the answer. So, as you know, we will discuss an application called Cake. So basically, this is an English learning application. So, what the function of this application and how to improve your English skill? Well, without any further ado, let's get to it.
Fine, just get on with it. If you use Android like me, you can immediately open the App Store application. Then you can type cake. It will appear like this. Then type the icon. After that, you can immediately install it. While waiting, we'll see this application is 100% free. New English expressions daily and learn the expressions. And lots of positive comments. Well, see if it's finished. Well, when you're done, you can just click open. Then you just have to choose the language you use. There are many choices such as Indonesian, Turkish, Indian, Arabic, French, and others. And here, which is Indonesian. Then click OK. Then mulai sekarang. After that, you click the X logo at the top right. Here there are various kinds of expressions or daily conversations and tricks, such as berhenti menggunakan sometimes. There are also dialogue, example from songs, vloggers, movie, TV series, etc. Here are also tips for you, especially for beginners who want to learn English. Then there is a lot. 100 common phrase in English and etc. As you know, as you see, there is a lot of video from cartoon movie, TV series, and others. And here is pelatih bahasa. We can say pelatih bahasa. Well, we need to log in. We can use Google or we can also use Facebook. So in pelatih bahasa, we will be given a video in a sequence from the easiest, like playing a game. Behind us, click the video. Here, I use a Google account. Well, we wait. I'm repeat again, I use Google account. Then we click allow, and here you will get a star every time you are absent. We click start learning today atau mulai belajar hari ini. Then there will be a video. We click the video. Here I mute the audio because it was covered by copyright. You can listen to the video. This will appears. This will practice your listening skill. And underneath there are subtitles. You can download the application and watch the video because I mute this video. You can save the conversation by the click plus below, then click OK. Well, after finishing watching the video and observing, you can follow the challenge. You can just click follow. You click allow. It says well done. You just need to talk. Well done. Then click finish talking. Then the result will immediately appear. Whether you say it well or not, this will practice your speaking skills. Then there are other challenge. You click get 3 star atau mendapatkan 3 bintang. Well, here you will be asked to compose a sentence as soon as possible. This will practice your grammar skill. If it's wrong, you need to repeat it again. You can click lanjut, then go back to beranda. Here also there is explore. Here there are interesting channels such as English class, etc. Then there is speak. Here is a place to practice your speaking skills. There are various levels that can improve your skills.
There is also review when you can save a sentence and see it again in review. And there is profile. So that is cake application. Interesting, right? I hope this video can help you to learn English. Thank you for watching and see you.